Beaders, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com. I'm so excited to share with you the unboxing of the April 2019 BeadCrate bead and jewelry making subscription box. Before we get in it, I want to give a quick shout out to Dragon Heart Crafts here on YouTube. She sent me a really nice package of Happy Mail, and unfortunately I wasn't able to do a video on it, but I will leave a link to her channel down below, so if you want to go check her out, and feel free to let her know that I sent you. For those of you who are new to my channel, I want to give you a warm welcome. I will have the link below to BeadCrate if you're interested in signing up. This is one of my all-time favorite bead subscriptions, and you guys know I unbox a lot of them. So let's go ahead and jump in. I have no idea what's inside specifically. They always come with a really nice theme and a beautiful collection of beads to fit that theme. So let's see what's inside. Oh, cool. I can't wait. So here's our bag of beads, and real quick, we're going to take a look at the note, and it tells us more about the theme. It says, "Ah, Paris, the dappled blue skies, the pinks of the blossoms dangling like gems from the trees, and the grays of the monuments. This month's box is inspired by the beauty that is the City of Lights." So I know that's going to be amazing. On the back, we have a chart that shows us everything that is inside. Everything is really well organized and easy to identify. That way, if you get something you like, you want more of it, you can go online, search for those things from the bead store of your choice, and get your hands on them, hopefully. So BeadCrate has two different options for their subscriptions. This is the collector's box. This is the larger version. It's as low as $31 per month, and it contains, you know, about twice as many beads as their smaller box, which is called the Enthusiast. That one is as low as $18 a month, depending on how long you sign up, and I do believe you have to pay shipping with the Enthusiast box. Thank you, Megan, for reminding me of that. And then with the collector, the shipping seems to be included in the price. It's mostly Czech glass. You'll also see some findings sometimes, and occasionally some gemstones. Also, I have about a year's worth of unboxings of my BeadCrate subscription, so if you're interested, you can check out that playlist and really get a feel for the types of things that they send. So let's get into it and go through everything one by one. Well, here is a quick look at the contents. Again, if you need to pause the screen and refer back to it for any reason. You'll also notice that there is an asterisk beside something that is a collector amount, meaning that if you are a collector subscriber level, you'll get the amount that you see me unbag. If you're the enthusiast level, you'll get less than that. And then the two asterisks means that it is a collector exclusive item, so it's something that you'll only find in the collector bag and not the enthusiast. I'm seeing so many beautiful things here. As always, they never disappoint me. So selection A is the Toho 11-0 transparent gray Japanese glass seed beads. So they typically send a bag of Toho seed beads. This time these are in the 11-0. Beautiful smoky gray color. Always great to add another bag of these to the stash. They go in so many different projects, and this is a great color that will go with a lot of different things. This is selection B. It is 12 by 18 table cut crystal Rosaline drops, or window beads. This is a beautiful shade of kind of a blush rose pink in there with the clear glass as well. You can see the holes running this way up and down the bead, and then on the sides it's a little bit more frosted because these are table cut, and then flat on the front and the back. These are so beautiful, and I can't wait to use them. Selection C is 6mm fire polished matte light sapphire. These are Czech glass as usual, 50 beads, and there's 2 strands on here. So this is a good example for the collector's box subscribers. You get 2 strands. If you are an enthusiast subscriber, you would get 1 strand, but check these out. So I love getting more variety of Czech glass fire polish beads like this. I get a lot of 3 and 4mm, so it's nice to get some other sizes as well. These are a little bit larger, being the 6mm. The color on these, it's like a light baby blue, and they are matte, so they have that frosted look to them. So uniform and beautiful. Selection D is 12 by 11 Quest Antique Pewter Fleur-de-lis. And I was trying to see if they were charms or what, but it does say that they're beads. I see the hole now, so let's take these out. So they do tend to send some charms or findings like this from time to time, and when they do, they are nice quality. So you can see the hole running through there, and they are the same on the front and the back. Next up is Selection E. This is a bag of 3mm fire polished peridot beads. There's 50 in here on this strand, so smaller than those 6mm beads, and the peridot being this light spring green color, which is gorgeous. It's just the typical fire polish, very shiny and sparkly finish. Selection F is 9mm light sapphire flat squares. So again, this light baby blue color, and just as it says, these are flat square beads with the hole running through the center. No additional finish on them or anything, just a very pleasing light blue and another fun shape to use. Selection G is this bag of 8x12mm table cut light sapphire polished rectangles. There's 10 beads in here. So they definitely look similar to the squares, but of course they're rectangle shaped. They do have the hole running through the center just like the squares did. The color is the same, but the difference is these are table cut, so they're frosted on the side, and then the clear glass visible on the top and the bottom. Selection H is this bag of 6mm light Rosaline lentil beads. There's 50 inside of this bag. They are a small round disc shape with one hole that is off center. I've also seen lentils come in 2-hole, but these are the 1-hole variety. A very, very light shade of pink. They're almost clear, but they have a little tint of light pink in them. Selection I is this bag of 4mm fire polish crystal Rosaline rounds, Czech glass. Another strand of Czech glass fire polish. This time they are variegated. They have partly crystal clear glass, and then partly they have this beautiful rosy light pink with some striations in there. So by now you should be getting a feel for the coordination of the box. As usual, everything comes coordinated color-wise depending on the theme, and I'm seeing some gorgeous pinks and greens and blues and also some gray and silver. Everything looks so nice laid out together. Selection J is this bag of 8x10mm bright green vertical hole leaves. I love my leaves, and it definitely seems to fit the theme. These are very nice shape. I don't think I have this shape in particular in my collection right now, and this is a nice long strand. So I'm very excited to add these to my collection. Selection K, these are 10mm berry Jasper coin beads, and they really caught my eye when I was emptying the contents of the bag. They look so pretty. They're this raspberry color with some black and gray and white striations, the Jasper being a gemstone bead. That's why you see that they're all a little bit different. They are not glass, and there is the hole on this one right here, and different than anything I currently have. They seem to be really nice quality. Selection L is this little Eiffel Tower. It is so cute. It is also from Quest Antique Pewter. There is one here inside, and it is the same on all sides, and a nice quality little charm. Very cute for the Paris theme. Selection M is this bag of 4mm matte Rosaline AB rounds. There's 100 beads inside of this bag. So again, a very light pink color, a nice long strand of 4mm round beads. The color is a very light pink, but check out that AB finish that makes it look like they're glowing. So pretty. As I move them around, you can see what I'm talking about. Just gotta love that AB finish. It makes the beads feel really special and gives them a whole new life. Selection N, we have 7mm matte Rosaline AB flower spacers. There's 50 beads in here. And I recently made a flower spacer ring from some smaller Czech glass flower spacers that I had received from elsewhere, and I think it came out really cute. I haven't had a chance to do a tutorial on it or anything, but maybe this will give me an opportunity to try it again with this selection. This is one of those things that is a collector's exclusive item, so if you are an enthusiast subscriber, you wouldn't receive these, but the collectors receive these. There are quite a few in here. Feels like quite a bit. So again, it's got the frosted matte pink Rosaline color on one side, and then on the other side it's got the beautiful AB finish, which makes it look like it's glowing. These are adorable. Selection O, 6mm medium sapphire bronze antique style triangle beads. There's 25 in here. Again, these are Czech glass. Probably don't need to say that, but these are another collector exclusive box item. They are gorgeous. So they're triangle beads. They don't automatically look like triangles, but they have 3 flat sides on them. The color inside is that sapphire blue glass, and then on the outer edges it has a beautiful metallic bronze antique finish on it. These are absolutely stunning. I love the combination of the unique shape and the bronze finish over the blue. These last 3 items are also collector's exclusives. This one is P. This is the 8x6 Rosaline rice beads. There's 2 strands inside. So these are the beautiful light Rosaline blush pink color, and the rice beads, meaning that they are this oval shape. They are elongated, and quite a few beads here to play with. Selection Q, I am so excited about. I wasn't sure what these were at first, but these are super duos. So for those who don't know, these are 2-hole beads. They're a lot of fun to play with. If you haven't entered the world of super duos yet, you'll be pleasantly surprised if you like bead weaving. They're so much fun. These are 2x5mm. They're matte crystal, so these will go with a lot of different things. They're not the shiny crystal clear glass. They're a little bit frosted, being that they're matte. So great to have a tube of these. I love getting a selection of 2-hole beads in these boxes from time to time. And then our final bag is selection R. This is the Parisian mix. There's 4mm garnet rounds and 7x5mm freshwater pearls inside. A lovely combination for sure, and nice to get something like this gemstone wise and pearl wise. It kind of breaks up the Czech glass. So beautiful mix there. Those very deep red garnets and the beautiful white freshwater pearls. So I think BeadCrate has done it again. Their theme is so on point with everything they've included for their Paris theme. It's perfect for the springtime. Also reminds me of cherry blossoms. I have a beautiful cherry tree outside of my studio area that is in full pink bloom right now that I love to look at. You can tell that they really put a lot of thought and care into the color selection and also the selection of shapes, and delivering you a box of beautiful things that not only go well together, but that you can pair with other things in your stash and hopefully provide you with some inspiration in your jewelry making and help you try new things. So as usual, I'm not paid to say these things. These are my honest opinions. I'm not here to sell you a box. This is just to share in the fun of the unboxing with you guys and hopefully give you a opportunity to check out what this box is all about, see if this subscription is right for you in your own jewelry making, and if it fits into your budget. If so, I personally highly recommend it. I have been able to create so many beautiful things with the beads that they've sent, and so many of their things have inspired my own creativity in jewelry making that I've been able to pass along and share with you guys. So I want to thank you so much for being with me again for another fun unboxing. Definitely feel free to let me know if you have a favorite item down below, or if you are a subscriber, let me know how that's going and your thoughts on the subscription or anything else you'd like to say. I will be back soon to share some more of the things that I've made from the beads from the subscription boxes, as well as more tutorials and more unboxing. So I hope you'll stick around. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. Check out the information section under the video for links to my social media handles and other helpful info. And feel free to check out my shop at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!